Hi everybody, welcome to our installation video for the Kershaw Leek engraved brass scales from Defcon Supply. When you buy from us, you're going to get these two brass scales, and our hardware kit's going to include these screws here, which you will have to use in lieu of the Kershaw stock screws because our threading's a little bit different in the CNC brass, but I'm going to show you how to disassemble this guy and install it and get it all set up and working. So first thing we're going to do is take our Kershaw, unlock the blade, always disassemble it with the blade open or the spring's going to pop out and it's going to be a real mess and you're not going to like it. So we'll go ahead and take these screws and the spine out. And pop this guy apart. And as you can see, you got your little assist spring in here. So we're going to go ahead and get all the Kershaw screws out of the way, so we are not going to need them again. And then there you have all your pieces disassembled, and we're going to start assembling ours. So I always like to start with this side. We'll put this main bolt through. And this is our provided hardware that has the extra bolt here, which gives you a little, because our brass is a little bit thicker than the Kershaw scale, so you need a little bit of extra space. So we've got that on. Go ahead and pop your blade on, and you can see it's locked in place. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I do that I think is a little bit easier here. So you're going to want to make sure that this goes in this hole, and this will go here, and it's going to fit inside this little slot in our brass. So from here, I usually go ahead and screw this bolt down just to give us a little room. And then this part can be a little difficult to line up. So what I like to do is rotate this out a little bit. You want your assist spring here in this hole. We'll go ahead and put one of these guys through here just to hold it in place, and then we slide it back in. Let me switch my out. Now, I'm not going to tighten any of these down completely yet. So I'll go ahead and grab our panhead screws from our hardware kit. Tighten these guys down. No, these on the clip you can tighten all the way. All right, so everything's lined up and looking good. Go ahead and tighten these the rest of the way. You don't really want to torque these down too hard. And this one you really don't want to torque down too hard because it will stop the spring assist from working. Let's just give it a little test. Maybe tighten it a little more and see if we still get a good spring assisted opening. So that's where it seems about right. So this guy we're gonna wanna loosen up slightly so we can slide our little safety mechanism back over the blade, back and forth. As you can see, it's locked in place. Pop this open and the spring assist works. And there you have it. That's our install, start to finish.